We love cars. Fast cars, slow cars, shiny cars, and even those that have seen better days. But one question always pops up: petrol or electric? It's a question that has probably crossed your mind, especially when staring at the price at the pump. We're often told electric cars are cheaper to run, less maintenance, they say. But is it really that simple? As with most things in the car world, the answer is a bit more nuanced. Let's lift the bonnet and have a good look, shall we? Let's talk about you. You're a driver. You rely on your car. You need it to be reliable and, most importantly, you don't want to break the bank keeping it on the road. So when it comes to choosing your next car, you're doing your research. You want to know what you're getting into, especially regarding those pesky repair bills. First things first, electric cars are a different breed. They're packed with complex technology, batteries with more volts than a lightning storm, and electric motors that leave your head spinning. This means specialized mechanics are needed, and finding those isn't always easy. Then there's the cost of parts. Those batteries don't come cheap, and finding someone who knows how to fix them can be a challenge. Don't get me wrong, petrol cars have their own issues. Exhaust systems that cough and splutter, spark plugs that need replacing, and let's not forget the ever-increasing price of petrol itself. Section 4. The long road ahead, from minor bumps to major overhauls. Let's talk about those little bumps and scrapes we all encounter. With a petrol car, a dented bumper means a trip to the body shop. Electric cars, well, it's not just a bumper. It could be a sensor, a camera, or even part of the car's self-driving system. And that means a much bigger bill. Now let's talk about the big stuff. Engine failure. A petrol engine needs a rebuild? Expensive, yes, but mechanics have been fixing those for decades. An electric motor goes kaput? You're looking at a whole new level of expense. Section 5. Lessons learned, choosing your automotive ally. So, what have we learned? Choosing between an electric and petrol car is more than just about the sticker price. It's about the long game. Electric cars may seem like the future, and don't get me wrong, they are incredibly cool. But they come with their own set of challenges. Petrol cars might seem like old news, but they have a familiar feel, with readily available parts and mechanics who know them inside out. Section 6. The road doesn't end here, but hold on. The debate between electric and petrol cars goes beyond just repair bills. What about their impact on the environment? That's a whole other exciting adventure, and luckily for you, we've got just the thing. Click the link below to watch our in-depth video exploring the environmental impact of driving electric versus gasoline cars.